Okay, here is the last one, lesson 1, or lesson 27, practice page 1. Leroy took 1 liter of 0.25 molar potassium chloride and allowed it to decompose into potassium chloride and oxygen gas. How many grams of potassium chloride could you predict he generated from this reaction? Okay, so I combine these two steps, writing the equation and balancing the equation to save time. It's 2 potassium chlorates yields 2 potassium chlorides plus 3 oxygens. Okay. All right, and we're going to underline the components that we're looking at. So we're looking at potassium chlorate and potassium chloride. At this point, we do the mole-to-mole ratio. Mole-to-mole ratio is 2 to 2, but that's also the same as 1 to 1. So you can just shorthand it to 1 to 1 if you want to. If you want to do the 2 to 2, that's fine. It won't change it. Then also calculate the molar mass of the potassium chlorate, which is 122 grams per mole, and potassium chloride, which is 74 grams per mole. Okay, then we're going to expand the molarity, moles to liters. So 0.25 molar potassium chlorate is the same as 0.25 moles of potassium chlorate over 1 liter. Then we'll calculate the mass for the given molarity. Oops. And that is 0.25 moles of potassium chlorate, multiply it by its formula weight, putting the moles in the denominator so they cancel. And the answer is 30.5 grams of potassium chlorate per liter. Okay, setting up the ratio. This one was easy because he used the full liter, so he used all of the 30.5 grams of potassium chlorate. Then we're going to convert our grams to moles. So you start off with 30.5 grams of potassium chlorate, multiply it by the formula weight, 1 mole over 122 grams. So your grams cancel, and you get 0.25 moles of potassium chlorate. Okay, then we're going to apply the mole ratio. Okay, so I did 1 to 1, 2 to 2 would work fine also, but it's 0.25 moles of potassium chlorate. Put that in the denominator so they cancel out, and you have 1 mole of potassium chloride in the numerator, and you get 0.25 moles of potassium chloride. Then, last step, we convert moles to grams. 0.25 moles of potassium chloride times the molar mass of potassium chloride, which is 74 grams over 1 mole, and your answer is 18.5 grams of potassium chloride. Okay, good luck with trying practice page 2. I will send that video out later, probably after class.